Hey guys, this is Amy with the makeup. Welcome back to my channel. It is a nice and warm -8 degrees right now here in Montana, so I hope that you don't mind my cozy attire for the evening. I thought what better way to wait out the weather than to do another video. So again, welcome back. Thank you so much. Tonight I am going to be showing you my new gadget that I got. It is called the makeup brush cleaner. The reason why I'm doing this video is to show the importance of brush cleaning, makeup brush cleaning. A few weeks ago I did have a swollen eyelid on the top. I went to the doctor and it was a clogged tear duct or a blocked tear duct. I did ask the doctor, could it be from my makeup brushes? And she said anything can clog a tear duct, such as, you know, anything, bacteria, dirt, oil can clog a pore, can clog your tear duct. So tonight I am doing this video because I want to show you the importance of cleaning your makeup brushes. I've always heard of it, and you know, I don't want another blocked tear duct. It's really painful. I had to get ointment and stuff for it, so I'm very excited to share this new product with you. I am going to start with showing you what I received in the package. So this is the package it came in. The link for this product will be in the description below. But it came with, this is so cute, a little washing bin, a little bowl for washing your brushes. Okay, and then it comes with the, now this piece, I put it in there, the little spinner. So this piece goes in there to put the brushes on. I'll show you that in a minute. It is a rose gold and white. Looks like La Boy is the brand. Comes in a little package. It did come with a little, kind of like a makeup brush washboard. Comes with little suction cups on the back, which is cool. I don't know if you can stick it on your tile in the shower. You could stick it in the sink to secure it and just kind of wash your brushes like that. It did come with this little set. Now these little things are for each side, different size of your makeup brushes. So that's kind of cool. They're the little rubber suction cups. So, and they're each individual size, of course, for all your makeup brushes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this up with a little bit of water. This is also actually a brush dryer too. I've chosen some brushes that I'd like to wash with you. I'm going to put a little bit of water in here. I also did buy a makeup brush and sponge shampoo from EcoTools. This will also be in the link below. Let me go ahead and fill this up with a little bit of water and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did fill a little bit of water up. Now this makeup brush and sponge shampoo says to add just a little tiny bit. This does kind of have a soapy consistency, so I do just want to add just a tiny bit. Here's my bowl. Now I'm going to start with a blush brush. Can you say that fast? I can't, obviously. So I'm going to kind of go ahead and choose the little rubbery deal that I think that would fit, and that is a perfect fit, a perfect snug. So it says to just attach this little square piece into here. Okay, and then it holds the brush. So now I'm just gonna kind of hold it up and show you. I want to see what it does. Okay, it's submerged. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, it's not going as fast as I thought it would, but look at it go. The pink is from the blush. That's the coolest thing. Normally I would put this on the counter, but I'm holding it up to show you guys. Wow, okay. It's just spinning away like a little washing machine for your brushes. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Okay, and it says it's a dryer too, so it's going to wring out your brush and dry it. Oh wow, okay, so it is, oh my gosh. The little spinner like spun it almost completely dry. It's still a little bit damp, but hey, that was cool for the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. I am going to change the water out though, and try a different brush size. So I'm gonna change the cup. Give me one moment. Okay guys, so I have some fresh water. I'm gonna put just a little couple drops of my shampoo in the water. I have a smaller brush this time and a little sleeve that fits it. And let's try with a smaller one. Okay, that feels like it's clean. This one, of course, wasn't too dirty. But now you just lift it up in the bowl to like dry it out, which is really cool. Just for like 30 seconds or something. I'm going to turn it off. Whoops, I turned it on. Now that one is all clean. We're going to go to the next one. I do have a little makeup caddy that I'm setting the brushes up right in so they can dry a little bit more. They'll probably be dry by morning, which is great. All right, I'm going to try a bigger brush this time. And we're going to find another sleeve for it here. All right. Now this is my favorite foundation brush. And honestly, I just actually cleaned it a few days ago, but I'm still I'm sure that the, you know, foundation has built up on it already. So let's try this. I do have, it's still soapy. It's still pretty clear. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip it in and see what happens. I feel like if you hold the device pretty sturdy with a firm grip, it'll kind of hold the brush better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dry this one now. You just lift it up and it just dries. It goes all flat. Don't know if you guys can really tell, but I think that's pretty cool. And that water is still spinning on its own. I have not put the brush in there in a minute, so. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that one off. Clean brush, awesome. I'm just gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna choose a smaller brush this time. I'm gonna try it with a fan brush here. So let me get a little bit of a, nope, that sleeve will not work. And this one actually will, so let's try this one. Again, this water is not very dirty, so I'm going to keep using this. Probably after this rinse, I'll change it out. Ooh. Now, you might want to like do this on the side. This is a different type of brush, so there is a little bit of water that splashes out, but I wouldn't be worried about it. I'm going to go ahead and dry this one out. It shouldn't take too long. There we go. Now this doesn't look like it got that clean. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I'm gonna let this dry and we'll see what it looks like later. I'm actually gonna change out the dishwater right now. Dishwater. The brush water. Just a minute. We're gonna go ahead and just do a tinier one now. And then I'll do one more with you guys. This has been pretty fun. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and dump this water out. A couple drips of shampoo. Here we go. These smaller brushes don't take very long. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna do one more brush with you. If I can find a little sleeve for it. Perfect. I'm gonna leave the solution in there. Whoops, it's going without me here. Okay. This thing, it does take 2 AAA batteries, which I've already put in there beforehand. Maybe I need some more water in this for starters. Okay, I got some more water in there. It still doesn't feel like it's spinning right. What am I doing wrong here? Guys, I don't know if the batteries don't last that long, or maybe I have too much solution or not enough. I did fill it up pretty high. It is clouding up like it's cleaning it. Like I said, you gotta hold this little deal really firm. And maybe it's just not liking this brush. I don't think it's liking this brush very well. Okay, so I did clean it out. My counter is completely soaked. Ah! I'm gonna go ahead and spin it like this, just to dry it out. All my other brushes seem to work really fine, and the water in the solution, this one might have been shaped differently, so it kind of wasn't getting the spin it needs. It says it's meant for all brush types. 2 AAA batteries in here, seems to be going pretty good still, so I'm like a little fan, it's cooling me off. Anyways, I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. Guys, thank you guys so much for joining me. Yeah, it's almost near dry, so just keep, you know, spinning it. I would recommend spinning it like out of the little dish to prevent any more water hitting it or bubbles like going along with it. But thank you guys so much for joining me again. I want to stress the importance of cleaning your brushes. I've always heard about it, but with that clogged tear duct, I don't want to risk it again. So I really appreciate you guys joining me tonight. Stay tuned for more beauty fun adventures. Have a good one. Hey guys, for more beauty fun, don't forget to like and subscribe.